This is gonna be a long-ass playthrough. It already is. Haven't really.
Blasphemous!
Come on, roll. There we go. Out of there. Ha! Yeah, just get owned while hitting nobody. That works too. Would you stop with the nonsense? God, I'm dead again. This is horrible. It was so much easier the first time. Oh, Silver Sword is not effective against humans. Oh, was not aware of that. Well, okay. Good to know now. I thought it was just strength was normal. Temerian sword. Alright. Here we go. Maybe now it'll be easier. We'll find out, won't we? God, I look really weird with that little tail thing on my head. That was cool. Is that why I died quickly? Because I threw stuff on him? That'd be cool. No.
Blasphemous!
Ah, yes, he died. Okay, that was significantly easier. No, magic. Yes. There. Nope. Yes. Okay. So I was actually able to do it that time. Oh wait, no, I have to go this way. Yes. Okay. Boop. Yeah, I grabbed the stuff that I got last time. Diamond dust? Sounds magical, and whimsical, and fun. Gimme. Alright, gotta stop collecting things, I forgot. Alright, I gotta fight these guys again. Shouldn't be too difficult. I say that now. God damn it.
Die!
No. Oh, just because you told me, okay. In that case, of course I'll die.
Blow the lilies!
Plow the lilies. Indeed. No. Yes. Aw, I didn't get to see any glitched finishers this time. That's too bad. Alright, place these two guys in here then. Here we go. They can easily kill me quickly. Friends. Just never a good time. As I have become well aware of. Orens. Orenishi. Alright. Time for the real challenge. Here we go. Shit. Bad idea.
For Temeria, man! To die for Temeria is to die a good death! Death to fullness! Double legs!
No.
Let those vermin!
You all die. Oh wow. I got knocked on the floor. Oh god, I'm bleeding.
For the
I'm
Baroness!
bleeding. Not
Take
good.
no prisoners!
Not good. Oh god. Do I regain health while just running around? 'Cause I don't think that would happen. In which case I'm just boned.
Onward!
Oh,
Attack!
what?
Blasphemous!
Yes! Oh, that was badass. Oh, but I died? No! No, I finished him. Oh, come on. That is cheap. Did a flyby finisher. Oh, that's good to know. Orange things or quest items. Damn it. That is too bad. Almost 3 bad. This is weird just talking to myself. I never really do these Let's Play things. I only started with Ryan and Tim and Crunch, our little channel. DrunkScienceGaming.
Crush those vermin!
Yeah, it's been fun though. Oh god, it's new for me. I just wanted to do it, see how it went. Because I've always wanted. I love playing games. Never really talked while playing them though.
They know night.
I was like, damn it.
Take no prisoners.
Again. Now it's really hard to talk while doing this shit.
Attack! To full test!
Yeah, so I've always wanted to, like, that would be like my ultimate. Damn it. Yeah, that would be like a really cool job, just to, you know, play video games and let people watch you play video games. Because I'm going to college right now to make video games, and I've made a few, and they're fun, and they're cool, and I'm proud of some of them. But I really have fun playing games. But there's not much I can really do just, you know, playing games to play games. Like, you can't really make a living out of that. Well, like, you can, but it'd be, like, one of the most difficult things ever.
They're traitors! Take no prisoners!
This is
to the tyrant!
my,
Death to full test!
you know, me trying to get into that, I guess. Ow. Alright, so I took down 2 of the weak ones.
Onward!
That was nice. Shit, and I died. Well. Oh. Ended quickly. Damn. But yeah, so this YouTube stuff, it's could possibly open doors, which would be nice, you know? Just playing games for a living would be fantastic. But just talking during them, it's a lot more difficult than you would think. At first I was like, oh, I always play games, this will be easy, but no. It's just like talking to myself. And gotta find my voice is even harder.
Onward! Attack!
Aha, 3-hit combo killed him. There we go. Got him too. Oh god, don't let the big guy hit me. Oh god. Yeah, I did get mortally wounded. Shit.
They're no knights! They're traitors! Take no prisoners!
This is horrible.
Blasphemers!
Jump is gonna get me killed. Damn it. That was horrible. You're just watching me die over and over.